Today I was watching on the internet some different okra recipes. I found a few of them. For some reason I stuck with two of them, which I think they're really exciting. They're called Tortang Okra. I'm going to decide at the end which one do I like the most. And of course then I'm going to make my own take of that recipe, my own style. First, doing the recipe where you have to fry the okra first together with the onion and the pepper. Put the cooker on, adding a bit of oil. That's it. So I'm going to add the onion and the pepper with okra. I will add some salt and pepper. Add it to the egg. 2 spoons of flour. Mix well. Add a bit of oil there. They look beautiful, they look very, very good. I'm going to flip this one as well. These are ready, I'm just going to put them on the plate. So this is one way of making this recipe, guys. I can still taste the okra in there. It's really good. It's really, really nice. I still haven't tried the other one, but as soon as I do that, I will let you know. So I'm going to do the other recipe right now. I chopped the okra a little bit thinner this time. So now I will add the onion and pepper just straight in here. Then salt and pepper. A bit of garlic in here. Half a clove. And just add the eggs. So I will add 2 eggs this time. This recipe should be a lot simpler than the previous one, but we'll see what's the main difference when it comes to taste. I will add 2 spoons of flour and mix well. And fry them just like the other ones. So because this time the okras are raw, I'm going to cook it on a smaller heat and with a lid on, because I do want my okra to cook, so I will do that this time. It's time for me to turn them over. They have a really nice color. I'm going to keep the lid on until they're fully cooked. They look like they are ready, so I'm just going to plate them. They look really, really good, and I'm so eager to see what's the difference between this and the first one. Okay. There is no difference when it comes to taste. The main difference is that the last one I have cooked, it's a lot quicker. So now I'll make my own and I'll let you guys to be the judge to see which one you think is the quickest. So I'm just going to add a bit more oil here. Onion and pepper. Just drop the okras in here. Salt and pepper. Some chili. Then we're going to mix this well. I'm just going to crack the eggs now while those are cooking. Just 2 eggs. Whisk. This is already done. The okras are already cooked. So now I'm just going to add it to the pan, and that's about it. I'll put the lid on, medium heat. Flip it now. And as you can see, this for me was the quickest. And here we have. It looks good. I'm going to give it a taste. So the okra came out a little bit from the mixture, but that's not a problem. Honestly, what a difference when it comes to taste. So in terms of the way it looks, the other one looks probably better because it's nicely shaped. This one looks like this, which is just like a classic omelette for me. But if I would be to compare the taste, this is definitely tastier. Now it's up to you guys what you prefer, if the shape matters for you, if the taste is more important. For me the taste is more important, so I would definitely choose this one. And it's quicker, and why not? It saves you a lot of time. So I really enjoyed making this video today. It was different for me. I'm looking forward to be trying more if you guys have any recommendations for me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up, you subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.